Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make veg soup chow at home, updated. Start by washing and chopping an assortment of vegetables into uniform sizes. Sauté aromatics until fragrant, then add sturdy vegetables and broth to simmer gently. Finish with quick cooking greens and an acid splash to brighten the bowl. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, and herbs before serving warm with crusty bread for a Begin with a flexible ingredient list to match what you have on hand. Combine root vegetables like carrots and potatoes with softer items like zucchini for textural interest. Use low-sodium broth so you can manage seasoning precisely. Add beans or lentils for protein if you like. Finish each bowl with fresh herbs and a squeeze of lemon to lift flavors rather than adding more salt. Focus on technique to upgrade simple ingredients into rich soup chow. Sauté onions, garlic, and spices to create a flavorful foundation before adding liquids. Maintain a gentle simmer so vegetables soften evenly and flavors harmonize. Put quick cooking items like peas, spinach, or small pasta shapes in during the last minutes. Stir and taste frequently so the final texture and seasoning are just right for immediate serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.